In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the shifter boot and knob in this Volkswagen Jetta. Let's get into it. I'll just take a trim tool, just get underneath here, just push it in a little bit, it pops up, then it kind of slides back. Then you just want to grab the shifter and slide it up. Take the new shifter and boot. You want to line this up. And just push it down. And then underneath there's a lip right here that's going to go to the front. Just like that. And snap in on the back. And just make sure it's locked in all the way.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.